Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can probably see from the title, we're going to talk about 5 phone apps that you can download and use to start making money. So if you're currently looking to make additional income using one of these guys, this video is for you. So number 1 on the list is Current Rewards. So Current Rewards is an app that pays users to listen to music. And yes, you heard it correctly. You can make money by listening to music. I mean, I can think of so many other worse ways that you can make money. Pretty much the way this works is you will get points for every minute you spend listening to music from the radio stations inside the app. And you can once again redeem those points for things like gift cards or get cash payouts to your PayPal account. The app also provides additional earning opportunities through things like surveys and trying out new apps. So this could be a great app to help you to make additional income doing something fun and something you can actually enjoy, such as listening to music. Number 2 on our list is Prime Opinion, which is an app that I've covered quite a few times on my channel before. I actually have an entire dedicated video if you want to check it out. Pretty much Prime Opinion is a survey platform that allows you to earn money for expressing your opinion on different topics. You can earn points by answering questions, which you can redeem for things like cash and gift cards, with some users making as much as $11 per day. And the thing that I love about Prime Opinion is that they have this gamified experience, such as bonuses every time you reach a new level. So Prime Opinion both has a website, but they also have a phone app, which makes it a pretty convenient way to make additional money in your free time. So the first time I tried Prime Opinion, I got a cash payment directly into my PayPal account. But the second time, I actually went for a Starbucks gift card because I was on a road trip and I didn't want to spend real money. So I used my points instead. Girl math! And obviously surveys are not really a get-rich-fast kind of side hustle, but it's a great way to make additional income in your spare time. By the way, this is a friendly reminder that if you are enjoying this video so far, please make sure to hit that like button because it really helps small YouTubers like myself. And also if you're interested in any of these apps, I will include the link down below. All right, let's get back to the video. So the next one on our list is actually one of my favorite apps that I've been using for probably like 5 years now at this point, and that is Sweatcoin, which literally pays you to walk. And I mean, I knew that you can make money doing a lot of different things, but I never knew that you can get paid for simply walking. So I think Sweatcoin has been around for quite some time now, but in case you never heard of Sweatcoin before, Sweatcoin is a fitness app that rewards users for their physical activity, which mostly includes the number of steps that you take. So by tracking steps and outdoor movements, users earn Sweatcoin, which can be used to purchase goods, services, experiences listed in the app's marketplace. It also allows you to get different coupons. So I've been using this app for quite some time now, and I've been able to redeem my Sweatcoins for a bunch of different things. I've been able to redeem it for cash sent directly to my PayPal. I've also redeemed these Sweatcoins for gift cards and physical products multiple times. So for example, one time I got a mini skincare set using Sweatcoin for completely free. I've also received cool physical products such as protein powder from one of the health brands that they were partnering with. And overall, I think this would be a great app if you live in a big city and have to walk around a lot. For example, I used to live in New York, and this app definitely came in very handy there. So yeah, this is a pretty great way to make additional income while doing something good for your body. Now, the next app that I wanted to mention today is iBotta, and I'm sure you've heard of this app multiple times. Actually, you might even have it on your phone already. Pretty much, iBotta is an app that rewards users for making everyday purchases such as groceries and different household items. All you need to do is to upload your receipt after you're done shopping, and iBotta will give you cash back on qualifying items. And by the way, this doesn't just apply to groceries. You can actually use iBotta for a lot of other retail items as well as travel. And I'm personally all about making money doing things that you would do anyway, so iBotta could be a great way for you to offset your daily expenses. So all the apps that we've covered so far were mostly side hustles and a way to make additional money quickly. But this last app is actually the only app that has a potential to replace your full-time income if you are located in the area with high demand, which is TaskRabbit.
Last week, I quit my job, my full-time job, so I could do TaskRabbit full-time.
I have a strong feeling that a lot of you have heard of TaskRabbit before. Pretty much TaskRabbit is a marketplace that connects individuals looking to outsource household tasks and errands with local freelancers willing to complete them. And that can include a lot of household tasks that you probably don't want to do, such as assembling furniture, mounting a TV, cleaning out the house before you're moving out, laundry, or any handyman work if you're not really good at it. I know I'm not. So if you're the kind of person who wants to make extra money, but you don't necessarily want to stare at a screen or type on a computer all day, and you would much rather prefer physical work, especially if you're like, young and fit and like to be active, I think TaskRabbit could be a great option for you. And I was actually able to find some people who made pretty decent income on TaskRabbit.
I made $100 in 3 hours doing a TaskRabbit job.
So I made a total of $926.75 in 19.75 hours.
I am going to put it on the screen so you can see that it's me and you can see like the actual pay that I made. It's a little bit over 3, right? But
the final thing that I would say about this app is that you can set your own rate and schedules, which makes it a great side hustle, or you can also do it full-time, which makes TaskRabbit a flexible option for earning money.
Anywho, if I can do it, you can do it too.
So just to summarize, with all these side hustles, all you need is your cell phone. So all these side hustles are very accessible to most of us. And especially with how bad economy has been recently, people are trying to get creative with how they make money. So make sure to test out these apps that I mentioned to you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos about passive income and side hustles, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!